Hi there, students. To retrench, a verb, a retrenchment, the noun. I think to retrench, this is a word we use in a business context. To to cut back, to economize. Very often to sack workers or make people redundant. That use, I think, is particularly Australian or South African. So let's see. In difficult economic times, the government retrenches on spending. Yeah, to retrench, to economize, and to consolidate a safe position. Yeah, to cut down, to reduce. The company needs to retrench in the current difficult market, to cut down on spending, to economize on the workforce, to reduce. Okay, so when there are tough economic times, companies retrench. Yeah, due to falling sales, the company was forced to retrench. The government retrenched on its scientific research program because of the cost, because of difficulty. So to reduce something, to reduce in the amount of something or in the quality. So yeah, when I lost my job, my family had to retrench. We had to retrench our spending, to cut back, to pare it down, to reduce it. Okay, so spend less money. Okay, so in recent years, many industries have had to retrench. To retrench, well, a trench is a long ditch, very often in warfare, to a place to fight from, and you have opposing lines of trenches, particularly in the First World War. So to retrench, this has an idea to fortify with trenches, maybe to retreat and fortify a place that is safe. And this is the idea. The company needs to consolidate, yeah, to move back a bit, to be a little bit less ambitious, to give up some of the riskier ventures and consolidate its position, make it strong. So after a long period of retrenchment, the company was in a very good position in the market. Yeah, it's to make the company more profitable, more lean, and ready to work. Okay, so to retrench, to effectively to cut down, to reduce, particularly on expenses, to curtail, to leave out certain things, to decrease. Okay, so yeah, after a period of progress, it's very often a good thing to retrench. In Australia and South Africa, they use this word to retrench, meaning to lay people off, to say, "I'm sorry, there's no job for you." So yeah, the boss sent several people in the company letters of retrenchment. Yeah. Okay, so to retrench in a military sense, to dig a new trench further back inside some sort of fortification. Okay, so formality. This is a formal business word. I think I'd probably give it something like 6.5 informality. I wouldn't use this in an informal conversation. Semi-formal business conversation, semi-formal writing, formal writing. And then the origin, well, from French retrancher, to cut out, to take away, to cut down. The re meaning again, and tranchier, to cut. That probably comes from Latin trincare, to cut into three. Okay, so to retrench, to reduce, to put yourself in a better defensive position, to be a bit less ambitious, to defend an area, normally by cutting costs, by cutting staff. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To retrench, a retrenchment.